Super simple English lessons. Subscribe to our channel.
Present simple questions. What time do you get up?
I get up at 7 a.m.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 a.m.
What time do you start classes?
I start classes at 9 hours a.m.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 now p.m.
What time do you go home?
I go home at 3 p.m.
What time do you do your homework?
I do my homework at 5 p.m.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 6:30 p.m.
What time do you have a shower?
I have a shower at 8:30 p.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9:30 p.m.
Let's review all the questions and answers. Are you ready? Here we go. What time do you get up? What time do you have breakfast? What time do you go to school? What time do you start classes? What time do you have lunch? What time do you go home? What time do you do your homework? What time do you have dinner? What time do you have a shower? What time do you go to bed?
I get up at 7 a.m. I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I go to school at 8 a.m. I start classes at 9 a.m. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I go home at 3 p.m. I do my homework at 5 p.m. I have dinner at 6:30 p.m. I have a shower at 8:30 p.m. I go to bed at 9:30 p.m.
You did a great job.
Super simple English lessons. Thanks for watching. Like the video,